Hey guys, welcome to Math with Mike 1, and today we are going to be looking at this problem that an annoying math student gave to me. Let's see this in the diagram. Sub equals farsana and na equals 5 nux. M is the midpoint of ab. Sana is u and bum is v. And then we have this triangle. Okay, so now we're supposed to express the following vectors in terms of u and v. Nub and nah, and then show that 6 is equal to 2/5 furu plus v. Calculate the value of 6 area of area of asama. But I don't actually know math, so you know what? Back to meme review.